Hey me minions, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and super cheap table for your workshop. I made a bench last year, which is over there, overflowing with shit. So I realized I needed to make a few more of these, at least one more for this season, so that I had some room to actually work on, and I can keep my other crap piled up over there. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make this workbench for about $10, okay? Doesn't include the screws. I didn't factor the screws into the price, but the wood was almost dead on 10 bucks. From that bargain scrap bin in Home Depot, if you go over to the woodworking, the wood section, you can always find this stuff. It has the green, yellow, red paint on it. The 2x4s were 51 cents a piece. Okay, so I picked up 8 2x4s. And the deck planks on the top, I only needed 4 of those. Those were 101. Why 51 cents and not 50? 101 and not just $1? The world may never know. I don't know. Here are the dimensions. It's roughly just about 22 inches across, and it's 3 feet high. So the dimensions for this piece right here are 3 feet. 22 all the way across. That means that this piece right here is 19 inches because it's an 1.5 inches thick. The 2x4s are 1.5 inches thick, so that will make 22 inches. And the long way going down, that's 45 inches. You could make it 44. You could make it whatever you want. I just happen to have pieces long enough to make a 45. You know, to make it 45 across. So I wanted it to be as long as I could possibly make it with the scrap pieces of wood that I had, and that was pretty much it. So you have 8 2x4s. You need at least two 2.5 inch screws. I think I was using 2.5 inch screws all around. For the deck planks, you don't need them that. You probably just need 2 inches, 2 inch screws. 1 3/4 maybe even. Other than that, that's pretty much about it. It is about as simple and as about straightforward as you can get. And this thing is solid. Thing is solid. Look at that. The $10 workshop table. All from the scrap bin at Home Depot.